Hi, I'm Ivan, one of the founders of Faffly, and in the next minute, I'll show you how Faffly works for legal research and what we're building next. First of all, Faffly is a modern legal research software built to replace old proprietary solutions. Instead of complex keyword and configuration based systems, you describe everything in plain language, and Faffly understands and analyzes it. It searches against our private curated legal database and surfaces the most relevant authorities. And you are still in charge. If you want to narrow things down, you can always use our filters. They help you to focus only on legislation like acts and statutory instruments or case law like judgments and determinations. You can even narrow case law down to specific courts. This directly guides what agent looks at, helping you to zoom in on a specific time period or authority type you care about and get a more targeted set of results. To keep this short, I already ran this research question and you can have a look at the result. As you can see, it is a structured answer and everything is backed by citations. The citations are interactive, and the part that matters most, that if you click a citation and the official document is available, you can open it in our viewer. Faffly opens it in a place it's referencing, so you can quickly sanity check it or read more context. Just to give you a sense how it's offered, let me show you our plans. Faffly supports both individual accounts and organization plans, so it works whether you are an individual practitioner or a team. And finally, just a quick note on what's coming next. In the short term, we're building workspaces so users can upload document bundles, analyze them, and apply the law to their materials. At the same time, we're expanding our legal database, starting with UK jurisdiction support. If you'd like to try Faffly, you can get started at faffly.io. Thanks for watching.